and today we're at Parc Asterix.
Yes, we're going to be specifically checking out the new area of the park, which is Festival Toutatis.
To see the new roller coaster.
Yep.
There's a bobsled coaster here. There's a whole nother ride that's new. There might be food.
I don't know. But there's a lot in this land. I mean, specifically the roller coaster.
That's the highlight.
But we're going to check out the whole thing and see what it's like.
Let's go. Okay, we're going to start off with the bobsled coaster because that was here first. All right, here we go. Oh, she's having fun. Thumbs up. Nice. Well, that actually was a really good bobsled coaster.
I really liked it. That was so fun.
Right?
Yeah.
Weirdly enough, it spits you out of the land.
It does. Like, right
So-
back, you have to just go around the corner back into the land.
Right, so we're going to go back into the land
Right.
to do the next thing.
Yeah. All right, so we did the bobsled coaster.
We did, and we're going to get to the big roller coaster. We're going to do that last, though.
Yeah, of course. Save
Yeah.
the best for last.
I think I didn't know if there was going to be food, and there's food, so I think we should get something here.
All right.
Okay, what did we get?
We got the burger of the month.
Burger of the month.
And to be honest, I don't know what's on it.
Don't know what's on it. It's a surprise, and
it
it's
is-
momentary.
Yeah. Matzo sticks.
Matzo sticks, and they are kind of interesting looking.
Yeah.
And they don't
sauce
have
for them, either.
marinara sauce. Very strange. Instead, they use the barbecue sauce. Yeah. Fries. And then we got these for dessert.
That looks really good.
Yes.
And then the little tart framboise.
Looks good.
We got a Coke, and it comes with a little souvenir cup, and it's special for the Angry Cup.
A free cup. And these are like glasses.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah. They're fancy here.
You know, the Coke is cold. Like, it's cold, as if
Yeah.
there was ice in it. But there's just no ice anywhere here, and it's so weird to me. Like,
Yeah, and you are an ice connoisseur.
Yeah. I'm making do.
She's struggling, but surviving.
So what do you think about the burger of the month? That is something we don't know.
It tastes better than what it looks.
Really?
Yeah, well, I don't think it looks very,
It doesn't look very appetizing.
not to be rude or anything.
But
But-
it tastes good.
It does taste good, yes.
What's on
tastes
it?
Fresh. I
Oh.
cannot describe it, but there is lettuce on here.
Oh,
There's
okay.
some kind of secret sauce,
Onion.
onion, and the burger's super thick.
Oh, it's like thick meat. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah. So it's good.
Cool.
So I got a lemonade, a pulco.
Pulco.
I can't say it, I'm loco. But interesting, every single bottle, it's attached right
Yeah,
there.
the caps stay
So
attached.
that way you don't lose your cap.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Sure, for recyclable reasons. And when you throw your food out, you don't just throw your food out. You throw your food out, your liquids, and then
Like papers
paper.
and trash.
Everything left. Different. And now we move on to desserts.
Dessert.
Okay, desserts.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
And tart framboise, which is raspberry.
Excellent.
And I like the little chocolate signs that say
Oh, yeah.
Festival Toutatis. Toutatis. Let's see.
Cheesecake first, priorities. I wasn't
Good.
sure because you You didn't like give away how you felt about it at first.
It's good.
Yep, that's good. Let's try the other one too.
I like that.
Just as good?
I might like it better.
No way. More than cheesecake.
If it had just like a little thing of whipped cream on it.
That's the threshold right there. That's funny.
Very good.
Well, I thought the food was good, and dessert is the highlight. That's a common
dessert
theme
was so
for all of
good.
our videos so far.
I feel like France just has really good dessert. So
Yeah.
hard
And
to
bread.
beat. And bread.
Yeah.
And cheese.
So next, we're actually gonna go check out the other ride. It just opened,
Yeah.
and it looked familiar to a lot of people. But let's go look at that, and then the roller coaster.
Toutatis.
So this is a Zamperla Nebula.
Nebula, yes.
Right.
We've seen a few of these. now.
Yes, yeah, they're very popular. They're, you know, it's interesting because they don't really do much. It looks more complicated
It
than
really
what it
does.
is, and I don't understand. This is the second time we saw someone drop something
Yeah,
on this
we saw
ride that
someone
doesn't
drop
do
their
anything.
phone, at the one in
Circus
Las
Circus, right?
Vegas,
Yeah.
And then someone just dropped, we thought it was a phone, but it was actually a power bank, so I guess not as bad, but
Yeah.
still. It made
But
a
they-
loud thud.
Yeah, they're eye-catching though. Like it is.
They're really cool looking.
Yeah, I almost wonder what it would look like if it was larger.
I don't know. Scary.
Because it would go, you know what I mean? Like
Intimidating.
you would move faster if it
Right,
was,
Yeah.
I don't know, Nebula 2. Coming soon. Okay, the main event. What an entrance here. They actually built, that is the station right there, inside this hill.
Looks like this is the entrance. Brittany is not going to join me for this one, and I think that's probably a good decision. Nice. That's awesome. Actually, the queue is awesome too. They have these like stone comics about like Vikings and stuff like that. So I'm curious to see what other ones are in the queue here. Here it comes. Man, these things are so clever. A loop. That's neat. Okay, this one's easily the best one. Brilliant. I'm up next, but check this out. This is incredible. A lighting package for inside the station.
All right. Woo!
So how was Toutatis?
It was amazing.
It was?
Yeah. I mean, it has the kind of ejector airtime that so few roller coasters have. the Velocicoasters of the world. I'm glad you did not ride it.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I remember your reaction to Velocicoaster.
Oh.
Insert here. How'd it go, Brittany?
That's not for me.
No, real screams of fear from this one, not just excitement. So not like that. That was yeah. So maybe not the best roller coaster for Brittany.
Okay,
if
good.
It doesn't have Jurassic Park.
I was gonna
tied to
say
it.
the only thing that saved that was the dinos. So
Right, exactly. But no, it's incredible. I mean, they're calling it one of the best roller coasters in all of Europe.
yeah.
And obviously, I can't speak to that, but
Well, so far you think so?
so far, I think so.
Nice.
Right? But yeah, there's multiple launches. The way it works is it shoots you out.
Uh-huh.
There's an initial launch when you exit the station, go into an inversion, and then you go into like a swing launch. So you go forwards, you go up, but you don't make it to the top. You come
Right.
back down, and while that's happening, the track is switching, so that way you can go back up and then go through it
Right.
again and make it over. So there's a lot of faith in switch tracks, but it's still in my mind. You know, every time.
What if it doesn't switch?
Like, what if it doesn't switch? Yeah, exactly. But no, it's incredible.
Very
And,
cool.
you know, I can see why people are coming from all over to ride this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad
Including
you got
us.
to do it. Yeah. All right. Before we leave the land, though, let's go check out the boutique Toutatis. See what kind of souvenirs they got. Well, they have candy. I like candy. Oh, special Toutatis stuff. Oh, the rock. That's cool. Neat. Wow, this is a cool shirt with all the roller coaster facts on it. I like that. I like that one too. Oh, I like that. Subtle,
Thank
like
you.
Parker.
And the mug.
I like that because it has all the roller coaster facts, but in French.
French.
Nice.
Fancy. Well, there you have it. Another successful day.
Yes, at the Festival Toutatis.
Yes, and it's a really good, complete land. You know,
Yeah.
I don't think it's necessarily missing anything. Like, they could add another ride, but they could also not, honestly.
I mean, there's 2 coasters and a flat ride,
and a restaurant.
and a restaurant, and a like jungle gym play area thing,
yeah.
playground. So it has enough stuff.
It
I would
does.
say, like, land-wise, it's not very big.
True.
So it's a little compact, but
Right.
it was great.
Yeah. So come on out and see it.
Definitely. Au revoir.